expert home and landscape design advice. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A wall water feature is a decorative architectural element where water flows vertically or cascades down a structured surface, such as a stone wall, glass pane, or tiled backdrop. Unlike traditional tiered fountains that sit in the center of a space, these features are designed to integrate seamlessly with walls or fences, making them a vertical water experience. They represent a blend of art and engineering, designed to bring the soothing presence of moving water into a space without requiring a large horizontal footprint. Essentially, it is a statement piece that uses gravity and circulation to create visual interest and acoustic harmony. Integrating a wall water feature into your outdoor living area offers a multitude of benefits that go far beyond simple aesthetics. Primarily, the sound of falling water acts as a natural form of white noise, effectively masking unwanted sounds from nearby traffic or neighbors and replacing them with a tranquil, spa-like atmosphere. Beyond the auditory perks, these features serve as natural air purifiers. As water moves, it releases negative ions that improve air quality and provide a cooling effect during hot summer days. Furthermore, a well-designed water wall increases your property value by boosting curb appeal and creating a sophisticated wow factor that makes your home stand out in the real estate market. To make your outdoor space look professional and polished, you should treat the wall water feature as the central focal point of your design. Start by framing the feature with lush greenery such as tall grasses or climbing vines, to soften the hard edges of the structure and help it blend into the landscape. Lighting is also crucial. Use submersible LED lights to illuminate the water from below or spotlights to highlight the texture of the wall at night, creating a dramatic interplay of shadows and light. You can further enhance the area by arranging comfortable seating nearby, such as a pair of accent chairs or a built-in bench, to create a dedicated Zen zone where the feature can be enjoyed up close. Don't forget to coordinate the materials of the water feature, like slate, copper, or tile, with your existing patio furniture to ensure a cohesive and high-end look. The beauty of wall water features lies in their incredible stylistic versatility, ranging from ultra-modern minimalist designs to rustic, naturalistic falls. For contemporary homes, sleek stainless steel or tempered glass walls provide a clean, sheet flow of water that looks like a shimmering mirror. If you prefer a more organic feel, stacked slate or natural fieldstone walls allow the water to trickle and splash over uneven surfaces, mimicking a mountain stream. Industrial styles often incorporate copper or weathered steel (corten) for a beautiful patina finish, while Mediterranean-inspired designs might feature colorful mosaic tiles and ornate spouts. No matter your home's architecture, there is a style that can complement it, whether you want a bold, high-volume waterfall or a subtle, quiet weep wall. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best wall water feature ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the triple cascade stone pool. This luxurious setup features a multi-tiered stone wall integrated into a pool landscape. 3 wide, shimmering sheets of water pour into a crystal blue pool, flanked by vibrant red flowers in classic urns and elegant glass lanterns. This design is perfect for creating a resort-style atmosphere in a large backyard. 2, rustic stacked stone spillway. A beautiful example of natural textures, this feature uses a rugged, stacked stone wall to house a single wide spillway. The golden yellow ceramic pots on either side add a pop of color, while the ornamental grasses provide a soft, breezy frame that makes this feel like a hidden garden treasure. 3, tiered timber garden falls. Perfect for a modern rustic or Scandinavian-inspired garden, this design uses layered wooden planters to create a staircase of water. The water flows from one wooden trough to the next, surrounded by delicate purple flowers and lush greenery, proving that wood and water can coexist beautifully. 4. The fire and water statement wall. This is the ultimate luxury feature, combining the opposing elements of fire and water. A thin veil of water falls from a high stone wall, passing directly behind a row of dancing flames. The earthy, multicolored stone tiles reflect the warmth of the fire, making this a stunning evening focal point. 5. Classical copper spout garden. For a long, narrow garden space, this horizontal stone wall with multiple copper spouts is an ideal solution. The water pours into a long, rectangular reflecting pool, creating a rhythmic sound and visual. The addition of a Buddha statue at the end enhances the feeling of a peaceful, meditative sanctuary. 6. Modern black slate living wall. This ultra-modern design features a black-framed slate wall with trailing string of pearls, plants hanging over the top. Multiple small streams of water fall into a sleek black basin with bubbling fountains, creating a high-contrast, architectural look that is perfect for urban patios. 7. Midnight LED waterfall wall. Drama is the name of the game here. This textured dark stone wall is equipped with blue LED strip lighting at the top, making the cascading water look like liquid light. This is a perfect example of how to use lighting to make your water feature the star of the show after the sun goes down. 8. Geometric architectural spouts. This contemporary masterpiece uses 3 tall, gray concrete pillars with minimalist rectangular metal spouts. The water flows into a clean-lined pond surrounded by architectural plants like bird of paradise. It's a sophisticated look that fits perfectly with modern, high-end architecture. 9. The glowing infinity fall. A true showstopper, this wide waterfall is built into a dark, textured stone wall and features brilliant underlighting that makes the water glow from within. The surrounding area is meticulously landscaped with smooth river pebbles and warm accent lights, creating a warm, inviting glow. 10. Minimalist natural stone niche. Simplicity at its finest. This design features a single clear sheet of water falling from a rugged, light-colored stone wall. The clean basin and simple green reeds at the base emphasize the natural beauty of the stone and the clarity of the water, making it perfect for a quiet corner of the yard. Wall water features are more than just a home improvement project. They are an investment in your well-being and your home's character. Whether you choose a dramatic fire and water display or a simple, bubbling stone wall, the addition of moving water brings a unique energy and peace to your outdoor space. By carefully selecting your materials and adding the right lighting and plants, you can create a personalized oasis that serves as a backdrop for a lifetime of memories. If you're ready to transform your backyard into a tranquil retreat, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more inspiring ideas. We want to hear from you. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, share it with a friend who is looking to upgrade their outdoor living area. See you in the next video.